Hello friends, this is a model of fire alarm system with water spraying. Here to assemble this model we have used wooden base, fire alarm circuit, relay driver, timer circuit, LED bulb with flasher, reset button switch, buzzer, thermistor, 12-volt power supply, plastic cabinets, transparent plastic box, water pump and few other materials. Now let's see the working. As soon as we switch on the power, the fire sensor is in active mode. Now let's see. Here I am putting fire near the thermistor. You can see the buzzer is beeping and water also is sprinkling, and there is a time delay. As soon as the fire stops, the water sprinkling stops, the buzzer also stops beeping, LED also stop flashing. This can be used as an fire alert system in homes, office and other places. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.